I'm sitting on a bench at 20th and L Street in DC, and I want to see how long it takes till we hear a horn blow, and then have the same challenge to anybody in downtown Manhattan do the same thing, and see what the clock, God damn it. Take two. I'm sitting here in Washington, D.C. I'm waiting to hear if a horn blows, and then compare it to anybody in New York City and see how long that takes. We just passed 1 minute. We're at 2 minutes. Well, there you go. There you go. 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes. We got an idiot toot toot and beep beep, toot toot beep beep. I think we're going to get another one.